UMLA Kamon Ram Ba Himalaya am sang priang ulapan tip ba ka jingjia jong ka jingle torti do doktor bat kinong trei ka Dangar PHC kabalawan lam mi ka jingjia wasungsi ya kawai kalong kumi ka balaklat no bat kani ka kam kalapoi sa ka Women Empowerment Committee.
The Dangar PHC incident has gone to the Women Empowerment Committee, and we already got a report from the Women Empowerment Committee on the whole scenario of what actually has happened. I would like to divulge details about it only on the 21st of September, when we have the final hearing on this Dangar issue. So maybe on the 21st afternoon, you will get the final report on that.
Sisi ba ka dorba sanrai jong jelakan sedang ka spotrek mentau benai nalur ba ecem sang pliang mulai tu ba ya kamat ka be jan ba bat kata ka de ka jinge kinong rep kan de ka wei na padeng kimat banya thir ya tai hapo ka ing dorbar.
We have a lot of priority given on the burning issues of the state now. We have issues relating to the law and order. We have issues to the health scenario of the state. We have issues relating to the power scenario of the state. Now the power sector will also be focused a lot, and there are many such issues, and the most pertinent, which I'm very fond of and which is very dear to my heart, are the farmers. I am really going to take up the farmers issue very strongly with the government, because there are a lot of things that the government need to do which they have not done for the sake of the farmers. So these are the main issues.